This is the current state of the scratch-built boiler house, and although there is some finishing to do, the walls are sort of ready. As you can see, I've done my best to create some elaborate ornamental brickwork, and in today's video I will show you how I did that. To create some relief and a feel of authenticity, I want some ornamental brickwork along the roof edge. I do that by simply stacking layers of brick card. First I cut off a small strip of bricks and glue that on another strip of bricks so that they are perpendicular to each other. The upper row consists of a row of bricks which are vertical, so to speak. Now I want 2 rows of normal flat laying bricks, so I make a cut below those 2 rows. Below that I want a row of upright bricks again, so I glue what I have perpendicular to a piece of brick card and then cut it off. The result is a strip that consists of 3 layers of brickwork that will add some refinement and detail to the building. Now let's try it on the building and cut it to size. When I glue it in place, you can see that it really finishes the wall. What you can also see is the white underside of the card. But that's easy to fix with some paint. All it takes is the right color and some steady fingers. So there you have it. Not bad, I think. I want the center of the facade a bit higher, and I'm fantasizing about making a year number in brickwork. First, the elevation of the center. By the same principles of the before strips, this piece is also layered in 3 layers. Now then, to make light bricks, I found this piece of colored paper, or card. It's a bit in between. 270 grams per square meter. Well, I cut very narrow strips of it and then start cutting individual bricks. And those are the head ends of bricks, so I think they are 0.7 by 0.5 millimeters small. Haha, great fun. Then I apply some thin matte medium on the stone card and I start the puzzle. Ha! This is great fun. And the result looks great, I think. So this boiler house was built in 1892. Then there's the abutments that need to be elevated. I still had some pieces of foam lying around in the right dimension. I just have to cut them to the right length. And of course glue them in place. Now I need some sort of wall cover. I make this out of styrene strips. Over these strips I glue a second thinner strip. I shouldn't have done this with the Tamiya plastic cement though, since it damaged the foam abutments unfortunately. Well, nothing I can't repair. Anyway, this second strip is a little wider, so it covers the whole wall, and it also adds some refinement and detail to the front, I think. Now it's time to cut some stones in the extended abutments. For this I use the same method as I did before. And of course it needs a little bit of paint. So there you go. Let's make some wall covers for the abutments in the same style. And then after applying a little bit of paint, it looks like this. Now the joints in the foam brick haven't been filled yet, so that's the next thing we're going to do. For this, of course, I need some mortar. So I make this from my modeling paste, mixed with some grey paint and some water to let it flow in the cracks a little bit better. I apply it with a brush and this works fine. Most of the work is in cleaning up the excess of the bricks afterwards. I think the result is quite convincing. Of course it needs some painting, but that's no problem. In the next video I hope to show you my progress on the interior, where I will place 3 boilers. After all, it's a boiler house. This is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. See ya!